This chunky minestrone soup is all natural, low sodium, no sugar. This is a healthy meal. Ingredients: 1.5 cups chopped yellow onion, 1 medium carrot, halved lengthwise and sliced, about 3/4 cup, 1 clove garlic minced, 1 teaspoon Calizo Taste of Tuscany seasoning, 2 14.5-ounce cans, no salt added, whole tomatoes, 1 10.5-ounce can low sodium chicken broth or bone broth for more nutrients, 1 medium zucchini, halved lengthwise and sliced, about 2 cups, very chunky, 1 small yellow squash, halved lengthwise and sliced, about 1 cup, 1/4 teaspoon Calabrian pepper, 1 15.5-ounce can cannellini beans, drained and rinsed, 1 10-ounce package of frozen chopped spinach, or you can use chopped kale, fresh escarole, or fresh spinach, 2/3 cup grated Parmesan cheese, 1/4 cup shredded mozzarella cheese as a topping as an option. Instructions: heat oil in a large Dutch oven or pot over medium-low heat. Add onion, carrot, and garlic. Sauté about 3 minutes. Add the zucchini, squash, and the next 4 ingredients. Cook an additional 5 minutes. We're now ready to plate our delicious, healthy, chunky minestrone soup. Just smell that. The herbs. That is beautiful. And I have a little grated cheese to go on top of it. Now you also have a choice to put mozzarella in case you would like it to be a little bit stringier. And I'm going to just put a touch of Calizo hot sauce, a little extra, because I like the bite. And here we have our healthy, chunky Italian minestrone soup, and we're saying to you, make life deliciously entertaining together. Join us at Calizo Condiments to have some fun. And chin done.